Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Royal Match on PC. To download Royal Match on your PC, you'll need to install an Android emulator. Open up a web browser of your choice and into the URL box type in bluestacks.com, but you can download any other Android emulator of your choice since there are other Android emulators available such as Nox Player, LD Player, and so on. In my case, I'm gonna search for the BlueStacks Android emulator. Type in bluestacks.com if you want to do the same, and then you'll end up in the official site. Now go ahead and click on this download button located on the left hand side of the screen. You'll then download the BlueStacks installer. Click the open file button and then follow through the prompts. Then you'll need to click on the Install Now button after you see this pop up. Wait for the necessary files to download for BlueStacks. Once you are done downloading and installing BlueStacks on your PC, go to the search box at the top left hand corner and type in Royal Match. Look for this Royal Match puzzle game and click on it to view the details. Now click on Install via Google Play. You'll also need to download additional data for BlueStacks, so go ahead and follow through the prompts till the end. After the installation is completed, you'll be able to open the BlueStacks app player from where you can get the application downloaded. You'll need to sign in to your Google account to open Google Play. Click sign in and then in the sign in area, type in your email or phone number associated with your Google account. Once filling in your details, click next. On the next page, enter your password for your Google account. After typing in your correct password, click Next. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by clicking I agree. Wait for a few seconds. On the next page, click the Accept button once again, and then you'll be able to see the app displayed on the screen. Click on the Install button right next to the app. Begin the download process for Royal Match on your PC. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see the play button activate. Click the play button to play the Royal Match game right on your PC using BlueStacks. That is how you should be able to download Royal Match on PC.
How to download Royal Match application on your mobile device. If you want to get the Royal Match game downloaded on your mobile, then it's pretty simple. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Royal Match in the search box. Once you find the application displayed in the search result, tap the download button to begin the download process. Once the application starts downloading, wait until it completes. Now wait for the Royal Match game to download. Game is a term on your device. Royal Match is a puzzle game where you can swipe colors, solve match 3 puzzles, and help King Robert decorate his castle. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see the open button. Tap on it to open the game. And that is how you should be able to download Royal Match on your mobile device. How to sign up to Royal Match account. To sign up for Royal Match, first download the Royal Match application on your mobile device. Go and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Royal Match in the search bar. Once you find the application, tap on the download or install button and download the application on your device. Now, tap on the open button after you are done with the download. This will then directly take you to the home page of Royal Match. After you're inside the main home page, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Save Your Progress. In order to sign up for Royal Match and save your progress, you'll need to go ahead and tap on one of these sign-in options. To sign up using Facebook, tap on Sign in with Facebook. To sign up using Google, tap on Sign in with Google. Or if you want to sign up with Apple, tap on the last Sign in with Apple option. If you tap on Sign in with Facebook, you'll need to go ahead and tap on Continue, and then it'll take you to the login page of facebook.com. Enter your Facebook account's credentials and tap on the open button to open Facebook, and then tap the continue button on the next page and you'll be able to sign up using your Facebook. If you want to continue signing up with Google, tap on the sign in with Google option and then in the pop-up tap continue. Now select a Google account or enter your Google account's credential in the sign-in page. After typing in your email or phone number associated with Google, tap the Next button. Enter your Google account's password on the next page and tap the Next button. If enabled, you'll need to go through the two-step verification process. After you complete with the two-step verification, you'll be able to sign up using your Google account for Royal Match. If you choose the last sign in with Apple option, you'll need to go ahead and continue logging in with your Apple ID. Tap on Continue in the pop-up on your iOS device, and then you should be able to sign in using your Apple ID. That is how you should be able to sign up on Royal Match using either Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. How to log in Royal Match game. If you want to log into your Royal Match game on your mobile device, then here is how you can do it. First, make sure that you've downloaded Royal Match on your mobile device. Once you have it, tap on it to launch it open. Follow through the on-screen prompts and then you'll end up in this kind of an interface. Now, from the main homepage, tap on the gear icon at the top right-hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on Save your progress. There you'll be able to see 3 sign-in options. You can sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Select any one option you'd like to log in with. In my case, I'm gonna choose sign in with Google. Simply tap on it and tap the continue button. In the sign in area, enter your Google account's credential and tap next. On the next field, type in your password for your Google account and tap next again. Go through the two-step verification if enabled, and when done, you'll be able to log into your Royal Match account. You can also sign in using your Facebook option or Apple option. Simply go ahead and select the option and then enter your email address associated with your respective accounts. How to create a team on Royal Match. First, open your Royal Match application and also make sure that you are logged in. After you are logged in, tap on the Teams tab right next to the Home button at the bottom right. In the Teams page, tap on Create at the top right. Select your team logo by tapping Choose and tap on one of the logos displayed on the screen to create a logo for your team. After you've selected the team's logo, enter the name for the team on the next field. After giving your team a name, enter a description for your team on the next field. Once you write down the description for your team in the description field, select your team type, choose between open team or closed, and choose the required level by tapping on the next drop down. You'll need to reach level 50 to increase required level limits. So if you are not yet, you won't be able to choose the required level to join into the team. Now, tap on the create button and you'll need to spend 100 coins in order to create a team. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see your newly created team on this team list. Now that you've created your team, you can share your team's name with your friends, and your friends can use the search tab to find your team and join into it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a team on Royal Match. How to update Royal Match application. If you want to use the latest version of the application Royal Match so that you can play the game with bug fixes and performance improvement, then here's how you can update your game on your mobile device. First, go and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Royal Match in the search box. Soon after you find the application, tap on it. Now, on the next page, if there is an update available for the app, it'll show you an update button at the top of this page. Simply tap the update button to get the latest release for the game, which comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. Wait until the application update process is completed. And once it is done, tap on the open button to launch Open Royal Match app. And there you have successfully updated how to change profile picture on Royal Match. If you want to change the profile picture on your Royal Match account, then here is how you can do it. Simply go ahead and launch Open Royal Match application and make sure that you're inside this main home page. After you are in this page, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. Now this will open up your profile. Tap on your profile picture and then you'll be able to see the avatars you can change to as your profile picture. You can select from various options of avatar, frame, and theme. If you want to go ahead and change to your own profile picture, then all you need to do is to tap on this Facebook Connect button and continue to to sign in with Facebook by tapping the Continue button. Open our Facebook application by tapping Open, and this will then take you to this page where you'll be logged into your Royal Match account. Tap on Continue in order to connect to Facebook with Royal Match. Once you're signed in with your Facebook account, tap Continue. And as you can see that the Royal Match game has now taken the information from my Facebook account, which will also update my current profile picture on Facebook. To save the change, tap Save, and that is how you should be able to change your profile picture on Royal Match. How to turn off music on Royal Match. So open your Royal Match application and make sure that you are logged into your game. Here I'm already on my home page of Royal Match. From the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the settings tab. Right where you see the music option, if you tap on it, you'll be able to turn on and turn off music on Royal Match. Under music, you'll be able to toggle the button and turn the music off. Make sure that the music tab is labeled as off, and that should be able to turn off music on Royal Match. That is how you can easily turn off music on Royal Match and enjoy the music-free experience. How you can easily turn off hints on Royal Match. If you want to turn off the hints while playing your Royal Match game, then it's quite easy. Simply go ahead and open your Royal Match application and make sure that you are inside this main home page. After you are in it, tap on the settings or the gear button at the top right hand corner, and then in the options displayed on the screen, you'll be able to see the hint option. Simply tap on it once in order to turn it off or on. If it shows an on indicator in green, it means that the hint is turned on your game. If you want to turn it off, make sure that it is toggled off, and you can see the blue button under the hint option, and it should also be labeled as off. Now after you make this change, you can now close this page by tapping the red cross icon at the top right, and that should be able to help you turn off hints in Royal Match. How to turn off notification on Royal Match. If you want to turn off notification on Royal Match, then first open your Royal Match application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you end up on the main home page, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on the toggle button right under notifications and make sure that it is labeled as off. Once you do that, you'll be able to turn off notifications for Royal Match on your iPhone. How to add friends on Royal Match. So if you want to add friends on Royal Match, then you can simply tap open your Royal Match application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from the main home page, tap on the Teams tab at the bottom right hand corner. In the Teams section, tap the search button at the top and then enter the team's name or your friend's name in the search bar. Once you perform your search result based on the given name or user ID will be displayed on the screen. Locate the person you would like to add as a friend and tap on their name to view their team info. Once you open up the person's profile, tap on the add button right next to their profile in green, and you'll be able to send a friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, they'll be added as your friend right away. How to sign out of Royal Match. To sign out or log out of Royal Match account is easy. Open your Royal Match application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. In the settings menu, select Save Your Progress. In the pop-up, tap on the sign out button. Click on yes in the confirmation dialog box and you'll be able to sign out from your Royal Match account. Tap the continue button and that is how you can easily sign out of Royal Match. How to uninstall a Royal Match application on your mobile device. So if you've recently deleted your Royal Match account and you'd like to get rid of the application as well, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump right in. Close off your Royal Match game from the app preview and then locate it in the app drawer. Here I have my Royal Match game in the app drawer. Simply go ahead and hold the app for a few seconds and then in the pop-up, tap on the remove app button. Now tap on the delete app button twice. And as soon as you do that, you'll be able to remove or uninstall Royal Match game from your mobile device. How to delete Royal Match account. First, open your Royal Match application and make sure that you're inside your main homepage. From the main homepage, tap the gear icon at the top right hand corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Tap on Support in green, and then from the help page, tap on My Game Progress. Select the account deletion button at the bottom of the page, and then on the next page, go through the information first. If you want to delete your account, then please keep in mind that deleting your game account data will also mean deleting all of the data that has been gathered about you on the game. This will also include any in-game purchases or event achievements, so make sure that you would like to continue deleting your account. You'll need to submit a delete request for the game, so tap on the Contact Us button at the top right, and then in the search box, type in delete my account. Send the text to the Royal Match support team and follow through the on-screen prompts. It'll again give you a warning message to notify you that deleting your game account data will also mean deleting all of your data, so make sure to select a response at the bottom right. If you want to continue deleting your account, tap on yes. If you don't want to do that, you can tap on no and get back to the game. Here, since we are trying to delete our game, let's tap on yes, and now it'll guide you through another step. Select yes if you're sure you'd like to delete your account permanently, and your account deletion request will be made. Now, your account will be deleted within 7 days, so you can uninstall your game to delete the data that is stored on your device. That is how you can easily delete your Royal Match game in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.